Hello and welcome to our video on commissioning the brevis.one SMS Gateway. Today, I will show you step-by-step how to set up and commission the brevis.one Desktop Extended Edition device, DX2. Let's start by unpacking the brevis.one Desktop Extended Edition. The scope of delivery includes quick start guide with the QR code for the instructions, the device itself, power cable, console cable USB-A to DB9, antenna, power connector, wall mounting rail. The first step is to insert the SIM card into the front of the DX2. Important, the DX2 should not be connected to the power supply. We recommend that you do not use a pin for the SIM card. If you still want to use a pin, please read point 7 in our documentation. Insert the SIM card into the slot provided until you hear it click into place. Next, screw the antenna to the SMA connection. You will find the SMA connection on the back of the device. If you have a DX2 with 5G, you will find 4 antenna connections on the device. In this case, please screw all 4 antennas to the device in order to achieve the full performance of the 5G model. Connect a RJ45 network cable. Please use the Ethernet port ETH1. Connect the supplied console cable to the serial port of the brevis.one. Connect the other end to the USB port of your computer. The cable may require a driver. You can download this via Windows Update. You can now connect the power cable. Then press the power button and the device will start up. You should hear a beep. The DX2 edition can be assigned an IP address if your network has a DHCP server. If DHCP is not available, the device starts with the default IP 192.168.1.1. If you do not know the address assigned by DHCP, you can query it via the console's RS-232 port. To do this, connect your PC to the gateway using a terminal program and the console cable. Alternatively, you can also use a monitor, HDMI or VGA connection, and a USB keyboard. First, open the Device Manager. In Windows, right-click on the Windows icon. Select the Device Manager option in the menu that appears. Navigate to the Ports, COM, and LPT section. The serial port assigned to the console cable is displayed here. In our example, this is COM 18. Now start the terminal program. I use PuTTY here. Enter the COM port and select the interface speed 115200 baud. Press Open. After pressing the Enter key, a text-based interface appears. Here you will find the installed software version of the gateway and the IP address under the menu item Version. Important: changes to the network settings via the serial console are only temporary and are lost after restarting the device. To save the settings permanently, please configure them in the web interface. To do this, enter the IP address in your browser. As soon as the web interface appears, log in with the username and password. Go to Configuration and then to Network. Please fill in the lines and enter a static IP address, the subnet mask, default gateway, and DNS server. Once you have entered everything, click Save and then restart. After logging into the web interface, the system prompts you to request a license for your gateway. Click on the SMS Gateway button in the web interface. Complete the form and send the request. The serial number of the device can be found on the device. Send the license request via our service desk. After processing by our team, you will receive a license file that you can upload in the web interface. To complete the setup, send a test message. Log into the web interface again and go to Messages. Under SMS, select Send to Number. Enter a phone number and a message and click on Send. Your brevis.one SMS Gateway is now ready for use. For further assistance, please take a look at our documentation or contact our support. Thank you for watching.